Today I'm going to show you how to make a keto raspberry mousse using just these 4 simple ingredients, easy ingredients. They are, I've got Truvia over there, which is stevia, the one that I could find here in Ireland. I've got fresh cream from Tesco. Use any cream that you can whip into beautiful stiff peaks, so whether that's whipping cream, heavy cream, double cream, any cream. This one, it says over there, it's perfect for whipping and pouring. That is what you want, a nice universal cream. You got one of those in the fridge, you can do all kinds of things. We've got raspberries. You could use strawberries instead. I've made this with strawberries or any berry you like, but I am just having a raspberry moment at the moment, and everything has raspberries in it, so I couldn't resist making it with raspberries. And we've got mascarpone, which is just beautiful. Now if you don't have mascarpone, you can use cream cheese instead. Obviously the end result will be slightly different, but it's definitely doable with that. So I'm going to get on and prepare all of my ingredients, and I'll talk you through as I make this yummy keto raspberry mousse. Okay, so we've popped a cup of our pouring cream into a bowl, and I've got an whisk here, and I'm just going to whisk it until it is completely thick and beautiful whipped cream. There we go. Look at that beautiful whipped cream. And now we're going to get on and see to our mascarpone. And we're going to use the same whisks, just remove them from here, and we're going to pop them in to our mascarpone. The 2 tablespoons of sweetener are on there, as you can see, and we're just going to whisk it all in until smooth. That's getting there. You want to make sure that the stevia is completely whisked in. You don't want any little grainy bits. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to fold our cream into our mascarpone mixture to make this lovely creamy mousse. And then for the raspberries, I am going to chop that whole punnet of raspberries up. Use as much or as little as you want. Really depends how much raspberries you want in, how many macros you want to use. And again, you could use strawberries or any berry you want. Okay, so we've got our mascarpone, and now we're going to add in the whipped cream. Oh, I love doing tasks like this, mixing all creaminess together. There we go. I've got all of my cream and mascarpone, and now we're just going to fold it through. I'm just trying to, it's the first recipe I'm cooking in my new kitchen, and I'm trying to get all my angles right, so I apologize. To find the right place to film, and I don't feel like this is it, but anyway, we will continue. Oh yeah, look at that. So we've folded that together, and then what I'm going to do, my raspberries are the other side. I've got a half a cup of chopped raspberries. Oh yeah, going in there. But add as much or as little as you like, and then, oh sorry, it's a matter of folding that through so we get all the raspberry goodness mixed in. You can definitely do more, but with keto you don't want to overdo it on the berries because they're pretty high in carbs compared to other fruit. They're lower, but compared to other ingredients, oh yeah, look at that. I've also reserved about 6 or so. Oh yeah, look at that. I reserved 6 or so to use as topping. Now you can put it into any dish you want to. For presentation, I've popped something like this similar into a pie dish. I'm still accumulating my kitchenware, so I am going to put it into a smaller dish so it's easier to keep in the fridge. Just like that. Oh, of course I had a sneaky taste. It's so good. Such a yummy raspberry dish. And then you could just pop a couple of raspberries here and there around the top as well for presentation. Totally up to you. It just looks so pretty with a couple of raspberries on top. Yeah. But that is today's recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you leave a like and subscribe for more yummy inspirations, and leave a comment. Let me know if you've given this a try or any other flavor adaptations you'd like to make. I look forward to reading them, and remember to check down below for the blog post where I'll leave the full recipe for you so you can make this at home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.